Hi guys, welcome to another video of Southwest of Ireland. Today we're going to show you one of the mother plant of the fern tree, and you can see that the spurs have started to sprout, and I'll show you what they'll look like when they're fully sprouted. They will look like this. See how beautiful that is. And these have spurs on the back of them, which this one will have when it's a bit older. It's the most beautiful of the trees is a fern tree. It's quite unusual to the palm tree, which the leaves grow upwards, but these leaves curl out. And what is amazing about a fern is it's not made of wood. It's made entirely out of roots. And these were way back in the dinosaur age, the most oldest of the trees, which is fascinating. People find them hugely fascinating. Like Kells Bay in Kerry has a forest full of them, and they're just absolutely lovely. It's my favourite tree, the fern, apart from the palm tree, which is it's just really breathtaking. And this is another fern from the mother tree, as you can see. And this fern is about to sprout. You can see just there. And I just show you how well my radical is doing. See, lovely and green, lovely, and it's just beautiful. And the trite is doing very well, and new fronds coming up, and the other's beautiful. But what can you say about this beautiful fern? That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you next time. Thank you.